Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make a simple, delicious and nutritious breakfast. That's Upma. So let's get started. Now let's begin with the first step, that's roasting the rava, for which I've taken around 1 to 2 teaspoon of ghee, in which I'll be adding in half cup of rava. And now we will roast this on low flame for around 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, make sure that you roast this properly and make sure that you don't make it brown. We don't want the upma to be brown. Okay, so after 1 minute you will see the rava is roasted properly. Now let's transfer this rava into a bowl. Now for the step 2, I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of oil, in which I'll be adding in 6 to 7 methi seeds, followed by 1 teaspoon of urad dal, or you can also use chana dal, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, that's rye. Once it starts crackling, I will add fresh curry leaves, followed by half-inch ginger. I've sliced it into 2 pieces. And I've added 1 green chilli. This is a light green chilli. Now chilli is optional. If you don't like it spicy, you can skip this. And I've added 1 medium onion, which I've finely chopped. Now we need to fry this onion till it's translucent. Make sure that you don't turn it brown. Now because I was shooting and cooking together, that's the reason. If you see, my onions are slightly brown, but that's okay. And here I've added half carrot diced. You can add any more vegetable if you want, like you can add beans or you can add green peas also. Now we'll just saute it for 30 seconds and then we will be adding water. We'll be adding water that's thrice the quantity of the rava. So if you have taken half cup of rava, you need to add in 1.5 cup of water. Here the flame is high. Now I'll add in salt as per taste and I'll let it simmer for 30 seconds. Now we'll add in the rava. Now just make sure that you sprinkle the rava so that you don't form any lumps. And in order to avoid the lumps, I use a whisker. You can use a spoon or a fork as well. Just make sure that there are no lumps formed. Okay. Now after adding the rava, you will see the rava will absorb all the water. Okay, now what we need to do is we just need to cook this for around 30 seconds with the lid closed. Okay, just make sure that you don't cook it for more than 30 seconds. And one more thing, after adding the rava, before you add the rava, just make sure that your flame is low. Now after 30 seconds, you open the lid and you will see the rava has soaked in all the water, and then you can add in fresh coriander leaves and just stir it. And at this point, you can turn off the flame and just keep stirring the upma. Okay, here the upma is ready. And here the last and final ingredient that I'll be adding is lime juice. It will give you a nice tangy flavor. And that's it, guys. Your upma is ready. You can just close it with a lid for 30 seconds and then you can serve it hot. That makes your perfect morning breakfast. You see, it was that easy to make a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Do let me know in the comments below how you like the recipe and how you like the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. And please hit a thumbs up. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.